Hello everyone, this is part 3 of the profit and loss video, and in this video we will be going through questions which contain successive discounts. That is, more than one discount would be there, either 2 or 3 discounts would be there in a successive manner. So before moving on to the video, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't. So let's move on to the questions. Our first question is the successive discount of 10% and 20%, that is 2 discounts are given on a purchase of a bag. If the mark price of a bag, mark price is given, we have to find the selling price. Okay, so we have the mark price, we have the 2 discounts. So it is simple, we would apply the 2 discounts on the mark price and we'll get the selling price. So I'll solve it by 2 methods. So you can use any of these methods in the further questions also. I'll be using one of these methods. For this question, I'll be showing you the both methods. The first method, we have the mark price. So mark price is 2250. So we will have to apply that successive discount of 10% and after that 20% on the mark price to get what? To get the selling price. So what would be selling price? I'll apply 10%. It is 90%. After applying the 10% discount, it would be 90%. 90% of 2250 is the first discount, and after that it is 20% of this. 20% of this whole. So it is 80 upon 100. Okay, so you can calculate it, you can cancel it by 100 by 5 table only. It is 0, 0, 2 zeros would be cancelled out. Okay, or 1 0 would be cancelled out by here. It is 5 2s are, it would be 5, 45s are, it won't be 2 1s are, it would be 2 4s are. So it is 45 into 36. Okay, you can easily multiply this. It is 0, it would be 261. So 1620 is the answer from the first method. Now let's move on to the second method. Okay, in the second method, whenever there is a successive discount question, I'll be using a formula. For all the further questions, I'll be using this formula. So let's see what are the formulas. Suppose your discount is X% and Y%. These are your successive discounts. Okay, so what is the formula? That is X plus Y minus xy upon 100% is the combinative. After combining these two, this would be your discount. This is the total discount after combining 10% and 20%. Suppose we have 3, that is x, y and z. Okay, so what we will do, we will just calculate for x and y. So we will get some value d%, and after that we will be applying d percentage plus z percentage minus d into z upon 100. Like this we will solve and we will get our answer. So for 3 we will be doing like this, for 2 we will be doing like this. So for in this case we have only 2, that is 10 and 20. So I will be just applying the formula, that is 10% plus 20% minus 10 into 20 upon 100. So actually you need not to write it, you can calculate in the mind only. 10 plus 20 is 30, 30 minus 2 is 28. So it is 28% discount on the mark price is your selling price. So 28% on mark price. So mark price is what? It is given as 2250. So we'll be applying selling price is equal to discount minus 28% is the discount which is given. So what would be the selling price? 100 minus 28 is 72. It is 72% of 2250. Okay, so this would be your answer. You can cancel it out. It is 5 2s are, it is 5 45s are, it is 2 1s are, 2 36 are. See, same 36 into 45. It is 36 into 45. You have already calculated it. It is 1620. So I'll be following this method because I found it very easier as compared to this one. You can follow any of these methods. Both are efficient only. So next question, let's see. Okay, if the discounts on the printed price of an item, so printed price here, it means it is the mark price. So printed price of an item is, so okay, see, here we have 3 discounts, that is we have X, we have Y and we have Z. So we have to find the total percentage of actual discount. So it is very easy. For first I will find it for 10 and 20, and after that I will find it for the combine of X and Y and Z. The first for 10 and 20. So I will have 20 plus 10 minus 20 into 10 upon 100. It is 30 minus 2. It is 28%. Okay. Now this 28% I'll do with it 5. So we will have 28 plus 5 minus 28 into 5 upon 100. Okay, so 28 plus 5 is 33. So we can cancel it out by 5 table only. 5 ones are 5 20s are 2 10s are 2 14s are. So it is 1.4. 33 minus 1.4. So it would be equal to 31.6%. So it is in the option. 31.6 is the answer. So this is the method for calculating 3. First I'll calculate for 2. After that the resultant would I calculate it with 3. I have used the same formula, that is x plus y minus xy upon 100. So this is the formula which I used. So next one. Okay, a dealer buys a table listed at 1500. So it is a listed price or the mark price. It is the mark price which is given. Okay, and he gives a successive discount, that is a discount of 20 and 10 it is given, and he spends rupees 20 on the transportation and sell it at the profit of 20%. We have to find the selling price. So first I will find the total discount. So what is the total discount on mark price? It is successive, it is given 20 and 10. So I'll calculate. It is 20 plus 10 minus 20 into 10 upon 100. We have already calculated it. This would be 28%. Okay, this 28%, a mark price is given as 1500. So 28% discount is given as mark price. So our selling price would be 72% of 100 minus 28 I have done. 72% of the mark price would be our selling price. So we'll just cancel it out. So we have 72 into 15, 5 2s are 10, it would be 8, 1. It is 1080. So this is the selling price. Now what is rupees 20 is on the transportation. So we will add transportation charges. Transportation charges rupees 20. So now our total is 1100 is our total. Okay. Now this is the actual selling price. So this is the actual selling price. The selling price is 1100. Okay. Sorry. Actually, this is the cost price. He spends it now. He buys, no. So this would be the cost price. And we have to find the selling price. So our cost price is 1100. You remember this is the cost price because it is given that he buys. So for him it is a cost price only. Okay. So now this is the cost price. So now we have the profit as 20%. And we have the cost price. We can easily find the selling price. Selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percentage upon 100 into cost price. So we can easily solve. It is 120 upon 100 into 1100. It is cancelled out. 120 into 11 is 1320 is the answer. So it is there in the option. 1320 is the answer. Next. A successive discount on a product in a store is, so it is also 3 discount. We have 5, 10 and 15. The store price of the product is this. So store price, it is the mark price. Then calculate the overall discount. So we have to find the overall discount and the selling price. It's okay. So selling price would be this overall discount on the mark price would be the selling price. So first we will find the overall discount. So first we will find for 5 and 10. So 5 and 10 it would be 5 plus 10 minus 5 cross 10 upon 100. So it is 50 by 100. This is what? This is 15. 15 minus 50 by 100 would be 1 by 2, which is equal to 14.5. Okay. Next we would calculate it for 14.5 and the remaining one and the 15. 14.5 plus 15 minus 14.5 into 15 upon 100. Okay. So I'll just multiply these 14. This would be 29.5 minus. I'll just multiply this. I'll get 5. 712. I'll get 2175. 21.7 upon 5. So it is 2.175. So I'll cancel it out. So it will be 2.175. So 29 minus 2.175. It is 27. Minus 2. It is 27.325. 27.325 would be the overall percentage. Okay. Now the discount is what? Discount is 27.325% of 1000 is the discount. So our overall discount is, it is 1000, so it would be divided by 100. It will cancel it. We will get 273. 273.25 is the discount. Okay, so our selling price would be the mark price, that is 1000 minus the discount 273.25. So it would be 0.75 and here it would be 726.75 is the answer. So this is our option. So actually if two things are in our option, all these options are different. So after solving the percentage only you can mark the option. So this is the answer. Next question. A merchant gives an additional discount of 10% on the product after an initial discount of 20% on the list price. Okay, first he has given 20%, list price means mark price. First he has given 20% discount and after that he has given 10%. So this is also a case of successive discount only, and then he managed to get a profit of 10%. By selling the product. Selling price is given, so we have to find the mark price. We have the selling price, we have the profit, we have the discounts, so we have to find the mark price. So how? First we will calculate the overall discount, that is 10 plus 20. It is 28, we have already solved, so it is 10 plus 20 minus 10 into 20 upon 100, it is 30 minus 2, it is 28% is the overall discount. Okay, so if 28% is the overall discount, so selling price would be what? Selling price would be 72%. 72% is the selling price and selling price is given as 54. So 72% is equal to 54,000. Okay, so if 72% is the selling price, then the 100% would be what? Would be the mark price. So we have to calculate 100%. So 100% would be 54,000 upon 72 into 100. So this would be the this would be the mark price. 100% it would be the mark price. So this is the answer which we want. We can cancel it out. We can cancel it out by 3 only. 3 2s are 4s are. It would be 3 18s are, it would be 2 and it 6 4s are, 6 3s are. We'll have when we calculate it, we'll get 3 by 4. See, we have here 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is 0.75 into how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros into 10 to the power 5. So it is 75,000 is the answer. 75,000 is the answer. Next, a shopkeeper wanted to sell 2,000 worth of products. So the worth of the product is 2,000. He had two options. The first option is giving 3 successive discounts of 10. So 3 successive discounts of 10 it was the first option and a single discount of 30% was the second option. What was the difference between two options? So he's asking about the discounts difference between the two options. So first we will calculate the successive difference discount. So first for 210 it would be 10 plus 10 minus 10 into 10 by 100. So it would be 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 minus 10 into 10 upon 100 is 1. So it would be 19. 19 and we have 19 and 10. So 19 plus 10 minus 19 into 10 upon 100. So 19 plus 10 it is 29 and 1.9 by 10 sorry 19 by 10 would be minus 1.9 which would be equal to 27.1. So here the overall is 27.1, here it is 30. So what is the difference? 30 minus 27.1 is the difference. So the difference would be 2.9. It is 2.9. 2.9 percentage is the difference. But here the answer is in the form of rupees. So we have to find 2.9% of 2000. Okay. 10% of 2000 is 200. Sorry. 2.9% of 2000. So 10% is 200. 1% is 20. So 2% would be 40. Okay. 40. And see, for 2% is 40, 9%, it is 2%, 2% is 40, 9% would be 180, so 0.9%, it would be 18. So it is 40 plus 18 which would be equal to 58. So 58% rupees is the answer. Okay, so this was all about the questions of successive discount. If you like the video, please click the like button and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.